What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, wasn't planning on filming this tonight. As you can see, it's pretty late, but look what I got in the mail. So in today's video, we're going to be opening it up and see what's inside. So, I got new shocks, rebuilt shocks from TSW out in Texas. So, big shout out to those guys. I'm going to be doing a full video series on installation. Obviously, this part right now, unboxing all of it, seeing what's in the box, the process of shipping your old shocks back. So, we'll be doing all of that. And I'm super excited to see what this all looks like. All right. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like. Nice. Return label. Ooh, there we go. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's two of them. The other two at the bottom. So here's one. Let's put this down. Let's grab this one. All right. Oh, these look great. These look great. Now keep in mind, these aren't brand new, right? Like, these aren't from the factory shocks, Fox shocks. These are rebuilt Fox shocks. So the whole program and how it works is I'm going to take my shocks off and I'm going to send it back to them once I get these installed. I think it's a great program. You get fully rebuilt shocks. So I'm super excited. This looks amazing. I will be going to the shop tomorrow to get this installed. But I cannot wait. These shocks look incredible. And I'm going to be able to do some testing. Hopefully take it to the racetrack out in Texas next month. All right, so like I said, this is through TSW shop in Texas. I want to show you guys everything that it comes with. I'm not entirely sure what these are. I think they're bump stops, but we'll see. So you get two of these. It's all wrapped really well too, protected. They're the shocks. So here's a front shock. Not bad, mid perch. See that? Got to get mid perch for my 35s. But as you can see, you know, they're still in really good shape. I like it a lot. Truck's gonna be beat up. Don't need brand new ones. So that's front shock number one. All right, so here's the back shock. This one's in really good condition. You know what's nice to see too is like this isn't really beat up that much. Mine is torn to shreds. So this is pretty nice. But yeah, here's the back shock. So you get all four shocks. I think those are bump stops. I'm not entirely sure. But stay tuned and I will be showing the installation of the shocks, the condition of my current shocks, shipping them back to TSW, real world feedback, and then hopefully in a couple weeks I'll take a pretty aggressive off-roading so we can see what the ride's like. But that's it for now. Appreciate you guys swinging by. Peace.